Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and share folder in Google Drive with link. Now this is the Google Drive that we're working. We're just going to go ahead and click My Drive right here. And once you're here, you're going to create a new folder. So you're going to click this plus sign right here. You see new folder there, and there is a shortcut for this one. Actually, it's going to be Alt C and then F. And then yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and create one and name this one new folder. All right, so once that's done, you can go ahead and put whatever files you have here. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and upload something here. So these are going to be random things. Let's see if this is going to upload. All right, there you go. So now that the files have been uploaded, let's share this folder. Click this one right here, click share, and then share again. And then from here, make sure you're going to change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and click copy link. Now this time, even if you open, say for example, incognito, wherein there is no Google account right here, you should be able to paste the link here and they will be able to have access to it. And yep, that's the easiest way in order to create and share folder in Google Drive with a link.